thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on. It's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody.
Good morning, everyone. Let's go.
Don't show
Hey, Keegan.
Don't come
Rose, let's go.
Don't stop
Happy
caring
Friday, guys.
about me now. Walk away. You know how. Don't stop caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time.
I don't know. I'm in a short, you guys.
Survive you. I'm better on the other side. I'm all good already, so moved on. It's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody,
Happy Friday.
believe that anything could stop me. Don't show up. Don't come out.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Crows, Rose, Keegan, Martin, Tris,
Don't stop caring.
Kohan. Good to see everyone. You guys, I think I need to go get my glasses. I have new glasses and I haven't been wearing them. Okay, I'm gonna go get them because it's like I think I do need to wear them. My vision's changing. Okay, I am in the short. I think I might cut it soon. We do have news this morning. I believe PCE in about 30 minutes. This is in a funded account. I am size too big. At least I'm only in one mini. It is a core account, which the nice thing about the 50K core account, they scale you in based on your account balance. So it's actually good for me, for someone that kind of has a hard time. Like, I like to step on the gas. So the core account is good in that regard. The pro accounts, you can go max contract size from the get-go. Yeah. Oh, actually, we don't have news. That's Canadian news at 8:30. It's employment change and unemployment rate, but it's in Canada. So at 10 a.m., we have core PCE prices today, and then also prelim U of M consumer sentiment. I'm still liking this. I know, it's just, I still like the short. It's just really hesitating, but I still like it. So I think I will still leave it on. It's definitely a slow grind. How is everyone doing? How has your trading week been going? Today is Friday, end of the week, last day. Yeah, let us know. Who would like to volunteer and share with us how your week is going? I'm doing okay. I'm actually doing pretty fantastic. I have this new dress on, but I think I might have to do some sewing right after the stream before we go on to the My Fund of Future stream. Look how cute this is. I got this for like a few bucks on clearance at the store. It's just a little sewing kit. Yeah, I just have to do a little sewing to make sure, my mom wouldn't get mad if she were watching this stream, right? Good morning, Brent. Good morning, Kraus. No luck, pure skill. Let's go. ICT, not gonna lie. Good morning to you. NQ, Trend Sniper. NQ, Trend Sniper says, I had a mixed one, but not bad. I like that. 007, good morning to you. TTBZ. TTBZ did okay this week. A couple of mistakes, but not bad. TTBZ, what mistakes do you think you made that next week you want to do better? Yeah, I definitely made mistakes this week. I don't think I've ever had a week where I had 0 mistakes. Yeah, for me, it would be sizing too big, right? That tends to be my thing, sizing too big and then not sticking to a daily loss limit, which I will have to show you this risk calculator that Andre, the CEO of Edgeful, shared on X with everyone. So I do need to use that as a tool because it's important. Good morning, Alfred. Thank you so much, Alfred, for coming on yesterday. Yes, long time no see. I hope you had a good day, trading wise, and then life wise too, Alfred. Tris says it's a 150K account. No, this is the 50K core account funded. Yes. No. Oh, I love those 150K accounts. This is with My Funded Futures, the 50K core account. Please use code Terri with My Funded Futures. Take Profit, Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, and also Trade Day. Thanks, guys. Every time you use my code, it does help to support the channel. I get a small commission, and then I can help make improvements, bring on guests, buy music, that kind of thing. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. And also, thank you every day for smashing that like button. It tells YouTube to send out the show so that we can keep growing the community. TTBZ says, same one, didn't hold 2 crucial winners, would have been up more this week. Oh, that sucks. I hate when that happens, BZ. Like when you are in a trade and it's a super juicy trade, maybe the market has a small pullback or something, you get out, you cut it, and then you proceed to watch the market continue going in your direction, and then you're doing the math and you're like, man, if I had held on to that trade, like that trade would have made my whole week, paid for all the losers plus way more. I know how that feels. Yeah, sitting in winning trades sounds so much easier than it actually is. Like whenever you show someone like your P&L, or maybe if you show them your statistics, it's like people who aren't day traders just don't know how difficult it is to sit into winning trades. Not only is it difficult to cut the losing trades, it's also difficult to sit in winning trades and actually let it hit your TP. On stream yesterday, you guys, this is stalling. It's just like, this is VWAP right here. All morning, it's been very bullish, as you can see, overnight. Globex, just initially, it dipped below VWAP, but otherwise it's been trading above, which is very bullish, right? If buyers are willing to pay above the average price. I know this is so, I still like this short, but I'm starting to like it less because this candle. Okay, it's 7:02. So this is a 7 o'clock. I might have to cut this. I don't know. Let's wait. Let's wait. 7 o'clock candle, you guys. That 7 o'clock breakout candle. It's looking green here. Oh, I don't know. 3 minutes left in this candle. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. It's okay. It's okay if it goes in my direction and I think, oh man, you guys. Okay, I'm feeling emotional this morning, which is kind of like a sign that I need to trade really small today, right? Okay, I'm gonna go over to the micros now because yeah, I'm feeling like maybe because I didn't sleep well. I think that could be it. Yeah. I slept for about 5.5 hours. Gold nasty candle. I haven't looked at gold yet. Let's take a look. Okay, let's exit all, make sure. Now let's go look at gold. Ooh, it looks like lots of this is oh that's the daily. Okay, here's the 5 minute. Interesting. Look at gold. Wow, 10 points is like $1,000. Yeah, good luck. Good luck if you're trading gold. Digital nukes. Good morning. Morning. Hey, Corey. So good to see you. We got to get you back on the show. What's good? What is good, friends? KC Futures. Thaya. VG. If I didn't just like close out that trade, this is looking kind of juicy to me. But gold, you know, I just dabble in gold. I don't trade it all the time. Oh, wow, look at that. That's looking really good. Okay, let's look at ES. ES is also trading above VWAP. Let's take a look at the hourly. Very nice. So this is the VWAP, and you can see we are trending higher. Today is Friday. Sometimes on Fridays, it can be like a trendy type of day. Like it can be a slow grind day higher if the market decides to do that. I wouldn't be surprised. I'd say I do like to take a lot of shorts, right? So I would say to myself, if I'm going to short today, I gotta be quick and it needs to be limited. I still like this. I know I'm being so stubborn, you guys. I still like this for a short. I think it's because of this node. Yeah. And we're trading below. So I'm like, there's a lot of volume here. We just need like a really big we just need a really big seller to come here and like push everyone over the edge so that we can get a cascade down here and start to fill all of this space. I still like it. I know. Well, we're flat, so it's okay. I can sit back and I can say I still like it and feel sad, and that won't like affect my account, right? I could be like, "Oh my God, you guys, I missed that trade," and it's still okay because the account is still there. It's still there for another day, another trade. Yes, exactly, Alfred. Terry Bear. Berry Trades. Alfred says Berry Trades. Look. Aw. But see, the slow grind is very slow. I'm thinking, okay, I'll tell you another reason why I kind of like this short. Maybe I was just sized too big, right? Because I think we can go, let's look at the daily. NQ is up 81 points. Look at this daily chart. My goodness. Look what a perfect line this is on the daily for a trend line, for a support line. I like it because of we're already up 82 points in pre-market. We could see a gap fill. I think I wasn't sized correctly, right? So, but anything can happen. This is my, we're on the micros now. This is the $100 for $100 bracket. But let's just wait. I'll be good, you guys. It's okay. I am feeling emotional today. I feel some like FOMO, and the market hasn't even like really gone the opposite direction or in the direction yet. Definitely, I think only 5 hours of sleep makes me feel more emotional today. And then also maybe because it's Friday, right? It's like the end of the week. I have been working hard all week, you guys. You could be very proud of me. I've been working hard. Your girl's been working. Thank you, BZ. I appreciate you. It sounds like you have those people on speed dial. Investor Z, good morning. Gen X. Okay, Rocky, our designated news trader. Most of today's data drops at 10 a.m. So maybe slow open. Okay, everyone be warned. Hey, Coach Fred, good to see you. I have been thinking more about news, guys, and I think I might have to pay up for a really good news subscription. What are your recommendations? I heard Financial Juice is good. Rocky, I'm making you a moderator. Thank you. Yes, you guys, mods, if anyone's negative, time them out. Just put them in timeout. They're always welcome to come back as long as they're going to be on their best behaviors. Yeah, Fridays can be sketchy. Agreed. BZ said that he tried to call, but they hung up on him. Oh, BZ. Okay, I think we have to make some new friends with people who have a ton of trading money who can move the market so that we can call them up. Say, hey, do me a quick favor. Can you just like drop like 1,000 lots, please? Real quick. Thank you so much, Rocky. I appreciate all of the news that you keep sharing with us. Looking out for all of us. Sath, good morning. Okay, so market is just not doing much, right? And that's okay. It's like watching paint dry. We watch paint dry until it doesn't, until there is a massive hurricane, basically. But while we're waiting, you guys keep an eye on the charts for me. I am gonna go over here and share that calculator that I wanted to show you. Okay, I did reshare it on my X. If you're not following me yet on Twitter, I'm at Terri Trades 100, and I am announcing the giveaway winners today after market close. Giving away 5 My Fund Your Future accounts, and if you scroll down, you will find it on my timeline. Look at this. I can't wait to recap this project with you guys. Okay, where is it? I should just go to Andres. Let's go to Andres. I thought I shared it yesterday. Oh, here it is. Okay. Just released a free trading risk calculator on Edgeful. I am a sponsor with Edgeful, so I am partnered with them. I am so selective, you guys, of the companies that I partner with, and I am absolutely honored, completely floored and honored to be partnered with Edgeful because it is a tool, like a real tool, based on actual market data to help us traders become more profitable and make more money, make better trading decisions. It's like the real deal. So I'm not very good with Excel, and a lot of traders will use Excel to pull market data to try and figure out if there's an edge. And Edgeful does it all for us. You just click what you want on the dashboard. They just make it very easy compared to if I tried to do it myself, which would be a complete disaster and would probably take me a few years to learn. But yeah, that is their mission, is to help traders. And it looks like Andre developed this risk calculator for us. So account size, max drawdown. So, oh, I might have to log in. No, so this is completely free, this risk calculator, and you don't even need an account with them to use this. Okay, let's do $2,000 because that is the drawdown in our 50K account. So if we risk per trade, it would be for 10%. If I'm risking $200 each trade, that's 10% of my accounts. I can get 10 wrong in a row until the account's gone. Ooh, look at this, you guys. Recommended risk per trade, only $40. Ah! Ah! Okay, let me do some math here. Oh my gosh, you guys, only $40? I'm gonna go, I'm gonna have a panic attack. $40? That's like no money. Okay, that's 20 points with 1 micro. It's a lot of money. I take that back. I just mean it's not a lot compared to how big I've been trading, right? Like it's I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so that's 20 points with 1 micro, which is a lot of points. And then I think the trick is we just need to scale accounts. Once we have an edge, then we can just keep scaling, just keep adding accounts instead of trying to risk each account like on one trade, which you know I've done, of course. Oh, this is cool too. Look at this. Okay, less than 2% risk is conservative. 2 to 6% is moderate. 6 to 10% is aggressive. So I'm already like, if I were to trade based on good risk management, I'm already aggressive. But you guys, I'm extreme. I am extreme. Okay, let's make the goal for me to make my way back from extreme this way. I think I was born extreme, you guys. I don't think I ever started here and I went this way. I think I was just born here and now we have to go this way. Yeah, exactly, Johan. Good morning. 44, Johan. Yeah, so we've got to scale down in size. Gen X says it takes some time to build, but it is possible, right? Like I love watching Nutty Bar trading stream because he has like 40 accounts. I don't know how many exactly, but he has a lot of funded accounts, and then he is trading like 1 or 2 micros each account, and that does seem like it's the way to go instead of going like pretty much max on each account and then just kind of hoping for the best. Hey, Adrian, good morning, my friend. How was your trading, Adrian? Ooh, Rocky says holding V-Day 930 fair value gap well. I have been paying attention more to the fair value gaps. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, see, such a slow grind. I'm not feeling too much FOMO. It's okay. And maybe like I don't feel so bad because you guys, look at this look at what's happening to my options account. This is real money. This is in a live account. I am trying to compound it by 10%. And it's all about the compounding. Like once you have an edge, right? Like, can I compound 10%? If you take $2,000, you compound it 10%, and every single time you compound that new balance. So compound, compound, compound. Within 50 times of doing that, you'll have over $200,000. And that's just starting with about $2,000, not about starting with 2,000. So you can see here, I'm so excited. So this is my side project, and this is something I want to do for the next 50 weeks. I would love this account to become $200,000. I know it sounds insane. And I know lots of people are saying, Terri, you're not going to be able to do it. And you'll probably blow up the account and like all these negative things. I agree. Statistically, like trying to compound 2,000 to 200,000 is very unlikely. However, your girl, Terri Trades, plans to do it, and I want to do it. So we're going to give it a shot. Why not, right? Life is short. $2,000. I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. And so far, you guys, so far, it's going so well. We're on to level 11. So I started with about $2,000. There was like some change in the account before I deposited 2,000. So that's why I say about 2,000. So, but I did deposit 2,000 and I started compounding 10% at a time, not 10% each day, but like my goal is like 10%. And then I'm breaking that up into days. Like I do the math, I figure out what the next target is. I do the math, how many dollars I need to get to that next level. And then I'm trading options accordingly. I'm mostly selling option spreads. Sometimes I will buy the spreads, like if I'm hedging my spread that I sold that might be underwater type of thing. Or if I think it's going to be a really, really good move to either one side or the other, I will buy the spread. But that is how I'm doing it. And I can't wait to share more with you guys. As the account continues to grow, I will share more, like how exactly I'm doing it. So I am using discretion in this, but I'm also using Edgeful to help me. And I'm not just like plugging them just to plug them, right? Because I am a sponsor. I was actually using their statistics. Excuse me. I was actually using their statistics before I partnered with them, because I'll show you this statistic. I actually saw this on X, and I'm like, whoa, that is a solid statistic. So the first 60 minutes of NASDAQ New York Open, the first hour of market open, so 9:30 to 10:30, you can see right here, it says IB, that stands for initial balance. So way back when in time, I don't know who came up with the term, but they called it the initial balance. And traders have always looked at that first hour to determine, to kind of give you a feel for which direction the market might want to go that day, or which direction the market might want to close for that day. And this is really cool because this isn't just based on observation. This is actual statistics. Like, this is based on data. So for the last 6 months, you can run these reports with them, like as far back as you want to go. Like I don't know how far back they go, but you can go back quite a bit. And so this one is based on 6 months that I ran. So there's a 75% of the time that NQ broke once, or I'm sorry, that initial balance, that first hour, only 75% of the time, one side broke, right? So a double break would mean it breaks the top and the low, or a single break means it either only broke the top or it only broke the low. So this is market behavior. So if we can understand market behavior better and really feel like it's better than a coin flip, we can place bets based on that. And for options selling spreads, like this is like, whoa. Such an advantage. So I do use this. This is something that I was using this statistic even before I partnered with them. I did see this on X and I was like, whoa, that's really cool. So basically yesterday when I saw that it was selling off, and then I also saw that it broke below, like it helps me get into trades, and then it also helps me to stay in them because it gives me confidence to stay in it. Cause sometimes you get into a trade and you're like, I don't know, it's working. Oh, look, my trade that that I took off. Yeah. So sometimes you get into a trade and you're just like, it's working. Should I take profits now, or should I really let it run? And just knowing a 75% chance that once it breaks one side, it's likely not going to come back and test the other side. Let me tell you though, when I say it's not likely, it's more likely. You still have this triangle here. This means this is a double break. So 22% of the time it will break both sides. So it's not like it's never going to happen, because that's what, a little bit more than 2 out of 10 times it will break both sides. But with a 75% statistic, it's like it gives me confidence. So that's kind of how I use that. I do have a link, you guys, right here. Let them know I sent you. I'm gonna put it here. You can get 7 days free trial, and They also have algos that you can trade with, but that's like extra paid. I think the initial subscription might be $50 a month, and then after that, if you want to use the algos based on these statistics, they have like 4 or 5 of these algos that you can optimize, and then it's fully autonomous. It will fully trade for you. I think I used that word correctly. Which I'm excited to try, and I will also show you that once I get it going. But I do have to test it in Sim because that is part of the requirement that I signed. So there is the link if you would like to try 7 days for free. Oh my gosh, thank you, Coach Fred. Coach Fred is reminding everyone to smash that like button. Okay, so we are on to level 11. And my goal is to hit 50 weeks because that means the 2,000 will become over 200,000. And kind of what I'm reminding myself to try and slow it down is if I can take $2,000 and turn it into 200,000 in a year, that's like amazing. And like that can be my entire salary for the year, right? So this is the current balance screenshot from my phone. That's a lot of money to make 200,000 in a year. And then it's like be so much easier to compound. Like even if I just only take a piece of that and start compounding the next year with just a piece. Like I said, it's very unlikely. I'm not going to say, oh, look at this, you guys. Ah, I am feeling some FOMO here. Okay, so 59 points until unchanged. We might see unchanged. I like it because VWAP is here. This is yesterday's VWAP, which is about 602. Okay, what do I do? I'm just gonna wait. I know this trade is leaving without me. Bye. I'll see you later. Congrats to anyone who's catching this short. Alfred, I know. Alfred, I'm tier for real. Yeah, because this is my funded account. I'm so tempted, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna do 1 micro. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop up here. This is 1 micro, and then I'm going to target yesterday's. Wow, you know what? If we go to yesterday's VWAP, we will make a new low. I'm cool with that. Okay. So this will be a trend trade. This is really tricky because I'm streaming on my funded futures, and I told everyone that I'm doing the inside bar strategy. So on my fund, thank you for subscribing. So on my funded futures, every morning I'm going to take the first inside bar break. We will be targeting 1 for 1. If it fails, we're taking the opposite side and just eyeballing 1 for 1. So we did lose on this trade, and then we also lost on this side. As you can see, it was a bunch of garbage here. Not garbage if you're a trend trader. This is gold. I'm not trend trader. It's gold if you're a range trader. Yeah, just eyeballing 1 to 1. And I will be tracking that statistic so that every Friday we will be reviewing it together with Tom on the show. So yeah, I don't know how that's going to work if I'm holding a short, because I can't be long and short in different accounts. So maybe we'll just let this run and see what happens. The market won't open for another hour, so hopefully we can book some profits. Here's the hourly. Look at that. So pretty. This was that overnight chop. It just didn't want to go anywhere. TTBZ, your phone call must have gone through to the big money deep pockets people. I feel like we're definitely like ranging on the daily. I did look at ES. Look at this. Here, we did break out a little bit, but we could easily get pulled back in. It's just, it needs a lot of like energy. And we're just not seeing that energy for like major breakout. Maybe people are still tax harvesting, you know? I think they do it through the entire month. One of my friends, she is a financial advisor, works for a really big financial advising person. And yeah, they're doing stuff all month. Like this is a super busy month for all the people who have portfolios. 200 EMA support on the 5-minute. Yes. Support for long. We're still in the hourly. Remember yesterday's open? That was so wild. On NQ. Oh my gosh. The opening candle. Was it yesterday? I thought it was yesterday. Yeah. Where are we? Here. Look at this. This high was 679. Oh no. This one. This high was 713. The low is 540. 150 point candle. More than 150 points. Woo! My goodness. Lots of volatility at the open yesterday. We'll see what the market gives us today. Anything's possible, right? Trying to not get married. I feel like I'm married to this short idea though. Rocky says Canada jobs data dropped in 1 minute. Shouldn't affect markets much. Ooh, Coach Fred says it's the opening candle yesterday. It was the high as well. Very interesting. Look, and we're trading within that 5-minute dump from yesterday. I could see us revisiting at least half the candle, right? Like a 50% retracement, which would bring us back to unchanged price. Here's how many points we're up, about 60 points. I like it. I still like it. Yeah, I think being sized in that 1 mini was just too hard to hold in a $2,000 max drawdown account. But one micro, no problemo. And the free risk calculator is telling me that recommended is $40, but we're going to risk 200. We're in the 10%. We're in the 10%. Yes, 10%. Okay, let's do it. Let's do the math. 78. If we're going to risk $200. I'm only risking 100. This is a $100 bracket. So let's go. $100 would be 50 points, right? 5, 6. I can't math right now. 5, 6, 7, 28. 628. Am I right? No, I'm sorry. I need to go the other way. Oh my God, this is so embarrassing. You guys, I can't think right now. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Okay, 678 plus 50 points. 728. I was close. There. So that's risking $100, which is only 5%. I like it. I like it. We'll see what can happen. Oh, I feel hot. I feel hot, you guys. Rocky says, yeah, and then use NVIDIA to claw it back by end of day, just about. It's so interesting to watch NVIDIA and then to also watch just the other big tech stocks. And I feel like that story, that context does help me trade sometimes. Like yesterday during the stream with my funded futures, like at the open, I hopped into a short. And I think part of what helped me feel confident in that short, like right off the get-go, was because someone said one of the tech stocks was up like 6%. I checked on Nvidia was already up like 0.9%, and this was in pre-market. And so I just know like the market likes to typically like give up some of those gains, not always, but it likes to give up some of those gains if we're going to actually end the day higher. Like usually the bigger players like to come in at a better price, unless it's some crazy wild news where it's just going to take off like a banshee. But usually, like, you know, the market will pull back some. And yeah, just knowing that information, I think it is like some edge, being able to conceptualize like the entire market. Um, I do like to trade that way, kind of like with a more macro perspective instead of trying to trade in what's the word? In a bubble. I really don't like to trade in a bubble because like so many times I've been in a trade and then let's say the market completely rips against me and I don't know what that news was about, and then I find out later and I'm like, really? Like if I had known that news, I would have exited my trade, or I would have fought the market as hard as I fought, right? So there's definitely some context to it. Like I find it valuable. I know a lot of traders who don't look at news at all. So it's whatever fits your style. I love like hearing about the news. I love hearing about like the drama. It's better than watching Real Housewives, you know, like with these companies. It's so interesting to me, all the different things that is always happening. Thank you, Alfred. This is like that meme where the lady has all the math. that has all of the math equations popping up. Yeah, that is exactly how I feel. I was like, remind me just to have a calculator like here so I don't have to like embarrass myself. It's okay though. We use the tools that we have, and it's okay. Like if you're not really good at something, it's totally fine. We can still make money being traders, even if you're not good at math. It's okay. Rocky says Tesla is 4.4% for comparison. So interesting. Oh, Rocky, it sounds like you closed your short. You're feeling some FOMO now. I know that feeling. I know. Okay, the trade is working, you guys. It's up by about $54. Let's see if it can hit TP. My goodness, it is filling the gap. So this is the regular trading hours. We have about 30 points until we get to unchanged. Anything can happen. I mean, it could just like reverse, right? I try and remind myself all the time that just because I have a trade idea and just because it's going in my direction does not mean it's going to hit my TP. Like it can still come back and take us out. But I'm okay. I'm not going to do anything with the stop loss at this point. Let's hope that it hits TP before I start, before New York opens, so that I can exit and then get ready for the inside bar trade. Yeah, I'm really excited to track that. So I'm hoping it's going to be like a really long series for us. Basically, the strategy is the first inside bar, I am going to take the break of that, going for 1-to-1, so risking 1 to gain 1. And then if it fails, if it doesn't hit the TP, if it doesn't, then I will take the reversal. I'll immediately put a stop below to catch the reversal. If it doesn't take me in the reversal, like, you know, fairly quickly, I'll just cancel it and just go flat. And yeah, so we will forward test that together and see what the results are like. It's an idea. I've had something I've observed that like, oh, when the market doesn't work in that way, like people are probably off sides and then the other side tends to work. So we will see if my hypothesis is correct. this is like the fun part of trading. I think it's like the science behind, like, you know, we get to put on these experiments and actually see like what happens. So that'll be fun. Maybe I can even do it for the whole year. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, shout out to Pine Tree Trader. Exactly, 44. The Punisher says inside bah. Shout out to Pine Tree Trader. He is the one that has shared his observation of the very first inside bar working well. Rocky says the 30-year bonds are sure selling off. Interesting moves. Ooh, that sounds good news for our short here. So as bonds sell off in price, the yields go higher. It's like an inverse. If yields go higher, typically equities don't like higher yields. Is it always correlated like that? No, but that's kind of the idea that people kind of think about when they're looking at bond prices. Thank you, 44. All I need are my glasses now. Yes, shout out to Pine. We have to get Pine back on the show. He was the first guest on Terri Trades. Rocky says I shorted up at 733. Woo! You covered when it bounced back to 716. Oh, I'm so sorry, friend. That sucks. I feel your pain because I closed out my trade too. And if I were in my trade with one mini, it would be up like a bunch of money. But it is okay. Don't worry, friend, because we have lots of trading for the rest of the day. It does look like we're coming to unchanged here, about 3 points away. I might close it out because I was targeting the unchanged, but I'm still liking this. I don't know what's going on, what the news is, but the market is definitely selling. Okay, my TP is down here at 605. Should we leave it on or should we close it? Let's see what it does here. We'll close it if it starts to give us a green candle. So far, it's still coming down some. Ooh, I'm gonna close it. Okay, we booked about $90-ish. Sweet, not bad. Let's go. Yeah, trading's been hard. It's been a lot this week, especially for me. I hear you, Rocky. I hear you. It has just been like an emotional roller coaster. Partly why I feel more sensitive today. It's like the accumulation of the week. It is a lot. Thank you, Coach Fred. 007, let's go. Winning. We're winning. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. Oh my gosh, time goes by so fast. I have to run. Join me on the My Funded Future stream in about 20 minutes. If not, I will see you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope you guys all have a green day. And if you have a red day, I hope it's a very small red day. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.